It's still your kitchen, but it won't feel like it after this. Hi, I'm Christina with JSB Home Solutions, and if your kitchen feels outdated, but your layout still works, cabinet refacing might be the perfect upgrade. It's faster than a full remodel, more affordable than replacing everything, and the transformation is huge. And with hundreds of kitchens refaced right here in Central Ohio, we've got the process down to a science. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to expect, from start to finish, so there are no surprises, just smart choices and a fresh new space you'll love. Let's start with what it actually means. Refacing doesn't mean repainting or slapping on a veneer. At JSB, we do solid hardwood cabinet refacing. No laminates, no shortcuts. This means your new cabinet fronts aren't just beautiful, they're built to last. We keep your existing cabinet boxes in place and replace all the visible parts with brand new, high-quality materials. Here's what we update during a typical refacing project. New solid hardwood cabinet doors and drawer fronts. Matching solid wood facing on exposed cabinet frames. New hinges, handles, and hardware. Optional new crown molding or trim for a polished, custom look. Your layout stays the same, but the style, quality, and functionality feel like a brand new kitchen. Here's what the refacing process actually looks like once the work begins. Step 1. Prep and protection. We start by prepping the space, laying floor coverings and protecting nearby surfaces. Everything stays clean and organized. Step 2. Door and hardware removal. Next, we carefully remove all the old doors, drawer fronts, and hardware. Step 3. Frame refacing. We then apply solid hardwood facing to the cabinet frames, perfectly matched to your new doors. Step 4. Install new doors and drawers. Once the boxes are wrapped, we install the new doors, drawer fronts, and updated hardware. Step 5. Final touches and cleanup. We'll double check alignment, clean the entire workspace, and do a full walkthrough with you before we call it complete. Most of our refacing projects take just 3 to 5 days, a fraction of the time of a full gut remodel. If you're not sure whether to reface or replace, here are a few of the reasons homeowners choose refacing. It's faster. You'll be back in your kitchen within the same week. It's cost effective. You skip the expense of gutting and rebuilding cabinet boxes. It's low hassle. No need to move plumbing, flooring, or appliances. It's customizable. You choose the exact door style, finish, and hardware. It's high quality. We use solid hardwood, not veneer, so you get the beauty and durability of brand new cabinets. It's flexible. You can update your countertops, backsplash, or flooring if you want to, but you don't have to. Refacing alone can transform the space and save you time and money. And even if you have 1 or 2 cabinets that need to go, that doesn't mean you can't reface. We could swap out a base cabinet, add a pantry, or customize a couple sections while leaving the rest in place. You get the best of both worlds. Custom upgrades where needed and savings where you can. That said, refacing isn't right for every kitchen. If your cabinet boxes are damaged, warped, or poorly made, refacing might not be worth it. If you're planning to change the layout of your kitchen, you'll want to replace the cabinets instead. And if your existing cabinet interiors are inefficient, upgrading boxes may give you more long-term value. That's why we always start with an in-home consultation to evaluate your kitchen's condition and goals before recommending either option. If you're wondering if cabinet refacing would work in your kitchen, you can schedule a free consultation with our team. We'll take a look at your current layout, show you real samples, and help you decide if refacing is a smart choice for you, or if a full remodel makes more sense. And if you want to see what's possible, come visit our showroom. We've got multiple refaced kitchens on display so you can compare in person. Links are below. Your dream kitchen might already be hiding behind those old cabinet doors. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big, remodel smart.